Another way to write the line is the point slope equation. Y equal n into x minus x1 plus y1. x1 and y1 is the coordinates of the point, and we also need the slope. For example, write the point slope equation for the line that passes through the point 2, 3, x1, y1 with a slope of negative 3 over 2. In the solution, we will write the rule, then we will substitute the slope, negative 3 over 2, and x1 here inside the brackets I have 2 positive, but in the rule I have x minus x1, so I will exchange the sign of 2, and here plus y1 without exchanging the sign. Now use the distributive property, negative 3 over 2 multiplied by x, negative 3 over 2x, negative 3 over 2 multiplied by negative 2, it will be positive 3 with positive 3 here. So when we simplify the equation, I have y equal negative 3 over 2x plus 6. Exercise, write it and try to solve. Now, the third way to write the line is a standard form, and it is written as ax plus by equal c, when a and b is not equal to 0. For example, find the slope and y-intercept of the line 8x plus 5y equal to 20. Then graph the line. 8x plus 5y equal to 20, we can take 8x from the left hand side to the right hand side with exchanging the sign. So I have 5y equal negative 8x plus 20. Now to find the value of y, we will divide both sides of this equation by 5. So it will be negative 8 over 5x plus 20 divided by 5 equal 4. So from this equation we can take that the slope is negative 8 over 5 and the y-intercept is 4. Exercise for you, find the slope and the y-intercept of the line 3x plus 4y equal 12, then graph the line. The shapes of line and the situation between the lines. For the parallel lines, we have the slope of the first line is equivalent to the slope of the second line. For the perpendicular lines, we have that the slope of any one equal negative 1 over the slope of the second one. Or we can say that it is a reciprocal of the first slope with another, always exchanging the sign. Write an equation for the line that passes through the point negative 1 and 2, and it is parallel to the line y equal 3x minus 4. I will take the slope from the first equation. Now we ask you to find the parallel line, so the slopes are equivalent to each other. So the slope m is equal to the slope m1 equal to the slope m2, and m1 is equal to 3, so m2 equal to 3. Now replace in the equation of the line y equal 3x plus b. To know the value of b, just like what we do before, we will replace 2 as y and negative 1 as x, so the value of b is equal to 5. And I can write now the equation of the line, the new line, that is 3x, not 3x, so the same slopes, and the y-intercept is different only, plus 5. Now the same question, but he asked us to find the perpendicular line. For the perpendicular, the slope m2 is equal to negative 1 over m1. So my slope now is negative 1 over 3. When we replace it in the equation, I have negative 1 over 3x plus b. Use x1 and y1 to find the value of b in the same way. So we have now b is equal to 5 over 3, and the equation is y equal negative 1 over 3x plus 5 over 3. Exercise for you. Write an equation for the line that passes through the point P and parallel to or perpendicular to the line. Yani you ought to write two equations now. The first one, which is parallel with the line 2x plus y equal to 4, and the second one, it will be perpendicular to the line.